everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. It depends the global age you are now. For here is afternoon. Afternoon for everyone. My name is Kizito Njoku once again. There is good news come today, guys, about what our leader said. I just want to give this audio for you guys to listen to it. It was full of amazing. And also this video also to be encouraged Nigerian youth also. I want you guys to listen to this audio, then I'll come back to you guys. Thank you.
Earlier today, the 14th of February 2019, I received confirmation from our team that all of our preconditions placed before those seeking us to call off the election have been met. And in view of that, I hereby lift the boycott of the elections. IPOB was very steadfast. We have fought a very good battle. We have made it very clear to all and sundry that we are very, very determined. And this is victory for IPOB and victory for emancipation of Biafra. We said it from the beginning. Nobody should expect us to participate in any form of elections unless our demands are met.
Exactly.
And I'm glad to tell you this evening that they have acceded to our demands,
Yes, sir.
and it will be fully implemented. I therefore ask each and every one of you to take this very good news to all our towns and our villages that the boycott has been lifted, that we may all go out on the 15th to discharge whatever duty that we have or whatever allegiance that we owe to any particular or groups of individuals. Never again will we take IPOB for granted, and never again will people underestimate our resolve and our resilience. We have showed it to them today, and we shall continue to demonstrate it until Biafra is completely restored.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I thank you very much, and may Chukwuka Biafra be with each and every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Good evening from London.
Yeah. You see, that is it. That is my leader. He has said it all. You know, it's a common sense. I wish Nigerians are cooperating with this peaceful actualization. I don't think that there will be a discussion for this. It's a simple thing. These people doesn't want restructuring before. What is restructuring? Come for the table. Talk. Let everybody share his own opinion. Let know who wanted to be for one Nigeria and let know who don't want to be in one Nigeria. It's very simple. What are we killing ourselves? What are we killing? Wasting blood. People will do agitation. They send Operation Python dance to wipe them away. It's nonsense. It's just useless. So you see, my leader make it to be clear. There will not be election until a Nigerian agree our demand. So now they are agreeing and our demand is easy. So let election be in Nigeria. We at Biafra say that will not be election in our home, but our leader confirm they have set our demands. So anybody wanted to vote for Nigeria, let him go and vote. Who don't want to vote is not by force. For we are Biafrans, we stay and we continue doing our peaceful demonstration to restore our motherland. So that is it. May Chukwuka Biafra bless my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I just want to put this music for him because he's a great man. Na so. Umi bongo na Biafra, may una be happy. Biafra is in our door, knocking. You should open door for him, our motherland. Na so. May Chukwuka bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May Chukwu Okike give him life, give him energy, give him wisdom more and more. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless Mazi Uche Mefo and bless all IPOB members, the recall IPOB, because we know say saboteurs are fighting us, but the victory is in our door. I'm very, very glad. I'm very happy. I'm very joyful. And once again, Nigerian people, those who call themselves Nigerian, we encourage you guys. Before British came in that country to make us to be united, we are a good neighbor. Even we are Biafra, we are going now. If anything happen in Nigeria, we feel for them. We'll still find solution if they want. That is we, Biafra. We are the people who rely in freedom. So I urge all Nigerians to vote wisely. It's tomorrow. You guys to vote wisely. For we are Biafrans. We are not Nigeria. Vote wisely. Do not vote to these cabals. These cabals, the people bringing confusion. Now they make you don't have light. Now they make you don't have good road. Now they make you doesn't have good education, good hospital. Vote wisely. You can choose a youth to make Nigeria better for you guys. Yes. Because Biafra, highest 5 years, you see Biafra will be beautiful. Amadio Honzozo. So we encourage Nigerians to choose wisely. Youth is very important for everything you do. Choose people. There's Nigerian where they graduate. By the end of the one of them, they can't play politics. They stay there, the cabals, useless their future, useless their education. Like now, Showore have come out. You guys support this guy. Nigerians support Showore. Don't support Biafra. We are going. So, try. Chukwu gozere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Amadio Hezanli. I how. The lie. This music is for my leader. I am enjoying it too, but it's for my leader. I'm playing this music. So, guys, that is how it is. I want to play this audio. Let the world to hear it. Let the world to hear it. And we are very, very happy. So, sorry guys, because I'm very, very happy. Over happiness is killing me. Because Biafra is in my home, my motherland. This song is for my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Uche Mefo, and all IPOB members. So, no place like home. Let Biafra come, let's go home. Go and establish our home. The wisdom people. The educated people in Africa. The first doctor, medical doctor in Africa. The first lawyers them. The first people who defeated European in 80s. Go and do research in 80s. Soldier of Napoleon is Biafra people. The wisdom people. God bless us. During the war, they fight the war. 20 shillings they give us. Still yet, we are #1 today. It's not boasting. I'm very, very happy. People will be small China in Africa. Look at, we are the last. Why? This pain is enough. Let everybody be his own. So that there will be another unity, another civilization in Africa, another love. If we still there for this concussion called Nigeria, British put us together, we can't go nowhere. Youth, we can't go nowhere. I'm proud I'm a Biafra man. So I was very glad and I'm very, very happy. So therefore guys, vote wisely, Nigerians. Biafra people say you should vote wisely. Choose the better people will be in you guys to bring light, to bring future, to bring hospital, to bring good education, to bring even fire service, burning house nowhere. bring emergency. If you have problem, you call emergency. No light, no good security. We say we are one Nigeria. Thank God I am a Biafran. The God who made me to be a Biafran is not mistake. He have something makes me to be a Biafran, and I'm happy. Choose wisely, Nigerian. It's tomorrow. Determine your future. Don't take 1,000, don't take 10,000, don't take 20,000. It can't lead you nowhere. 5 good years, it will pass away. 20,000 can never make use of it in 2 days. Okay. I'm very happy. Please don't mind me. I'm very, very happy. What are we talking about now? The future better ones. Africa is turning full every day by day upon the whole resources Africa have. Where are we? I see that the civilization have come again. That is Biafra. And that market is Biafra will make unity to come in Africa. And the Biafra will make Biafra Africa to unite. Ndị na-achị obodo ka a na-akpọ ndị chịrị obodo. Ndị na-achị obodo. It's like Lawrence will revise this music again to add Mazu Chemefo and Mazu Nnamdi Kanu and Biafrans. People will make things to be happen. Ndị gbere fi na bobo. Oh. Yes, if not the saboteur during their own time. Oh, adewa nande kale kalengi. Oh, no place like home. I'm feeling to go home. Now so. Biafra, unu angole. Odi woma. Isi anaya mnakwa. Yes. This is where we are. So, guys, that is a little bit message for you today. Oh. Adewa. Manketi. Oh. Jidenye mwaka kebu. Oh. Awagani na meni ha. Fodan Nnamdi Kanu kebu. Eshi hedi kebira no. Acho Nnamdi Kanu. Acho Mazu Chemefo. Acho Biafra IPOB member. Hey. No be lie. Banasundu. When you believe where they quest Biafra garden elowa. No be lie. Where they go no. Bobo mo. Akwe hemo ka na emeba o. Onya kia da chaga kweso Biafra o. Onye na eri ega ga esukwe Biafra. Sabatu ana esukwe Biafra. Akwe hemo. So Adewa because this strongly have taken a lot of soul, take a lot of blood, take a lot of our people, take a lot of many things. So why should you give up? We can't give up. It take many years for South Africa get their own. Almost 27 years, if I'm not mistaken. Many countries did it. But it's still people waiting for Biafra land that's telling you should go and vote without no concrete evidence to give you more. How can I say it? It will give you more interest for you to go and vote, more passion. How can you vote? People dying, wasting blood every day. You say you should go and vote for what? Why will you vote? Since 1914 or 1967, this Katamotion come before 1960, you're still voting. 58 years, you vote your destiny away put your future away for this cabal, these sucking blood people. Ah, Kujagung Barabiogo. No, you young ordinary Yamao. Onye ka ga-asị nọrọ na Nigeria ọ dị ya mma. Ruma chọrọ okwu. Ọkwere ọma ka eji ụja aga n'ogbu abịasị n'ọjọọ fọga ha na. Adịwa. Ife gbachi nwatakịrị anya ọchọgbu okenye. So o shiri Biafra ike anya gbakwuru Chukwu okike. Ọ na-ejikwa n'anya ụzọ. Biafra nwere ebe anị. Obi atọka m. I be lie. You are not sleeping every day by day. Chai. Ekene dere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. After Chukwu okike abịama. After nwa Yahoshua bụ Jesus. Ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ga na-ahụzi. Ọ ya dị next year aza nwere. Okoroteze nọchere ibe ya nụ. Ogene. Chai. Ọ dị echienu but Nigeria nwenye. Odamanchi. That is what Kabal doing for Nigeria. Obola Jongwa. Oh, Nnamdi Kanu na-achọ Biafra ọbụla Jongwa. Ọ na-eme kpọntu oge ruo nu Igbo wu Igbo ka anyị kwenu ngwụcha Biafra kwenu ngwụcha o. Umi ibe m ngwụcha bụrụ ụjọ. Try. No be lie. Ngwụcha bụrụ ụjọ. Adewa. That is Biafra. I'm really happy today. I'm very joyful. Chai, rebellion ni mwebela angole. But our brothers, they are wasted in Operation Python dance. May they rest in peace. We know that the war never ends. We're still marching forward without no giving time. Ayo, bodike. Ishebudo dike aga chokwe dike o. Adowa? Adegu. Bodike o. Imise dike berene machowa nwa dike o. Aha, ewo nebe kwa gana, ewo nebe kwa jupe, neliwe nini yo. Chai. Weri buju. Oka gendino, oka dene. Gonna think twice. Adewa. If a student graduate, no work. No people. Why they can never kidnapping people? Why they can never killing people? Because why? If you graduate, no work. Why people doing prostitution? Because of lack of job. Even a married woman doing prostitution because of lack of job. Father killing a child because of lack of money, because of poverty. No one is smiling. I allow one to Biafra. The Queen and Laton. I know on the way to coming home. Child. If a woman and you know, then I chop look anti Rebu. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Mazuche Mefo, my all IPOB member, the world. Because people will like who IPOB member. You Igbo, Sebampo, Ozadero. Badebe, Wasaba. Adiego. If you listen this video today, share it. Let it reach everybody here. Subscribe. Press the bell for more updates. Thank you, my people. Thank you very much.